Previously on It's Jelissa World.
We made it to Vegas. We are headed to flying over Las Vegas. The damage has been done. Oh, they have Hershey. Y'all, they got Hershey flavored candles. If you make your way out to Vegas and you land on the strip, there's gonna be so many things for you to do. We're actually staying on the strip. I don't know which hotel it is yet, but when we get there, I'll definitely show y'all. I'm back. I am right outside of the door where we're staying, okay? And this is what it looks like on the inside of our hotel.
Anywhere you go, give it all. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Welcome, you guys. Come on in, come on in. This is where we are staying. What is this called?
Hilton Grand Vacation.
This is the Hilton Grand Vacation, and we're gonna start with the kitchen. Comes with the full nook and everything. We got a stove. We have the refrigerator, cabinets, oven, a dishwasher. You know, the essentials. Toaster, coffee maker, all that fun stuff. And then come a little further. So we also have this living room slash dining room-ish area. It's cute, right? I like the decor. It's giving. Oh, don't look in here yet. Or actually maybe you should. All right, come with us this way. So in here we have the bedroom, and here's the view. We actually had the option to be on the 22nd floor, but I thought she said second, so I picked the 9th floor, and I'm low-key upset, but it's fine. So here's our bed. This low-key might be the couple suite because why is the tub showing all of our business? This is a little tub area. Jacuzzi. I won't be using it, but you know. Then if you step in here, here's the bathroom. My camera's getting ready to die, okay? Bathroom, okay? Cute. All right, and then you found your way back out. I hope you guys like this video of the room. I'm probably going to go and take a shower, so thanks for watching. You'll see us tomorrow.
Anywhere you go, give it all. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Y'all, so we are inside of the Flamingo Hotel, and what are we going to be doing here?
We're here to see the Flamingo exhibit, but I forgot what directions the man told me to go.
Okay, y'all, so it is cold outside. Like, I had to put on my little jacket because, baby, I asked Jasmine, should I wear sandals or my Balenciagas? Homegirl hollers out, sandals, like, you want to be cute. Okay, cool. Should I bring my jacket or not? She was like, I don't know, maybe you should. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna bring my jacket because I get cold easily anyway. So good thing I brought this because y'all, it's freezing over here and we're by some water right now, but this is what I see. All right, so I'm ready to go ahead and see some flamingos. So let's go. Y'all see the flamingos behind me, but baby, they are doing what they need to do. I ain't seen them walk yet though, but it look like they eating right now. Have any of y'all watched The Masked Singer? I really like that show. And Adrienne Bailon, which if you know, you know, like, she was my favorite Cheetah Girl. She is one of my favorite singers, and homegirl was the flamingo. So it's just crazy that, I don't know, I'm just putting two and two together. I'm just trying to relate here, okay? The sun is out, as you can see, period, point blank. Now we're about to go and get some food from, can't remember the name.
From Carlos and Charlie.
Something like that.
There's a Mexican restaurant right here, and I've seen somebody in their vlog go there. I think it's called, how you say it? Because honey used to be Spanish. What is it say?
I'm screaming, I don't know. I think it just says Chayo.
Chayo. Chayo.
This is what it looked like.
Kitchen and tequila bar. If the line ain't long, let's go here because
what's
I
wrong
don't
with the other
drink.
place?
I don't drink alcohol, but I love me some tequila.
That girl know you don't. She's talking about she
Me
want.
gusta tequila.
Y'all come and get her. That is cultural appropriation.
Yeah.
Yes. We were just walking around looking at things. We took some pictures, so we're gonna be posting pictures.
Insert the IG because that's where you're gonna see.
There's a lot of that. And there's a lot of that going on.
There's a lot of photo bombing. Like, they think they're your friend over here.
No, really, they do.
But they probably either drunk or high anyway.
It's good vibes out here. Everyone's just here to have fun, and I love the energy. Okay, we're eating at, I don't know what we're gonna eat. When the food comes out, I'm gonna show y'all. Done eating. We just got done eating, and
it was 10 out of 10.
I liked her food better than mine. She got nachos, and I got a quesadilla. The quesadilla wasn't given, but we're walking to some shoe store. What's it called? Shoe Palace. We're walking to this place called Shoe Palace, and they got people dressed up as characters, but you gotta pay for it.
We live! To this girl in Vegas right here.
People dressed up as all sorts of characters, but you gotta pay $5 if you're taking a picture. See, I can't run my camera. I understand, I respect the hustle, but you gotta let somebody know.
No, because they came up to me. Like, I'm just recording them. They came up to me and was like, no, take a selfie, take a picture with us, take a picture. So I snapped it up. They was like, get SpongeBob, get SpongeBob. So I took a picture with SpongeBob. Then they gonna say it's $5. So I gave them $5 because they said we accept donations. I gave them $5. He said no, $5 each. You. Oh, gonna take this five $1 bills and y'all gonna spread it amongst each other.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Alright, y'all.
See, y'all not even gonna be able to convince her that she needs to get a tattoo while we're here.
Because she's seen this one tattoo shop and ain't gonna ask me if I want to get a tattoo. What do I look like getting a tattoo?
A girl who wants a tattoo.
Nope.
They got body trim. You don't want a piercing?
I don't want a piercing.
She's a liar.
I don't want a piercing. I want a tattoo. Listen, I got my 2 piercings in my ears. That's all I need for now. It ain't even my birthday. It's your birthday. Never mind.
I'm gonna ask them how much it costs.
For a tattoo?
Yeah.
Girl, child.
It's so pretty.
Wow. It's giving off the illusion that we're outside, but we're not.
Anywhere you say, anywhere.
I'm just here for a good time, not a long time. Good morning. What's up? Today's a new day. Yesterday we were gonna go to this one place called Circus. It's like an adventure. Was it an indoor theme park? And we were gonna go there yesterday to like ride some of the rides, but we decided that we're just gonna turn around and do that today because we're tired. That's neither here nor there, but today is a special day, y'all. Today is my sister's birthday. Let's go shout out. Happy birthday. Hey. Everybody pipe down. We're about to go and get food, take pictures, then we're gonna go to the pool. We're going to the pool. We're not going to the circus place.
Well, after the pool? I thought we was going to the pool first.
I really don't know. It really doesn't matter. I just want to take cute pictures finally because I don't think I really even posted last year for real. I was just in a funk, in a bubble, and I was like, oh, I don't really want to post and take pictures, but I'm gonna give y'all content. I'm gonna give y'all pictures. Well, Instagram's gonna see pictures. Y'all are gonna see videos. Like, I'm in a great mood. Life is amazing. It is what it should be. Okay, hear me. The last time that y'all saw us, I was telling you that we were supposed to be going to get some food. Well, we ended up not getting food. We ended up instead going to the pool because we had leftovers from yesterday. Plus, today's my sister's birthday. She just wanted to relax, chill by the pool, take pictures from the pool. Now, she's in the other room relaxing. She said that her birthday is going amazing, which is what we wanted. She's eating food, posting her pictures on Instagram. Like, y'all need to go like her pictures on Instagram. She looks bomb. Listen, when I pull up into 30, I'm trying to be fun like that. Trying to be fun like her. Oh, I didn't even show y'all. Last night when we went to the circus place, y'all could probably see it across the street. That building right there. When we went there last night, we ended up getting some drinks. It was like a slushie. That's what we had. I still had mine left over from yesterday because it put me to sleep. Buenas noches. So that's basically what has been going on. I'm not gonna post any pictures on Instagram yet. Probably by the time this video is up, I would have already posted pictures from Instagram, but in the meantime, I'm just chilling. Tonight, actually, I don't think we told you this, but tonight we're going to the Gucci Mane concert. Y'all see me in the next clip. Hey y'all, so we are getting ready to go to the Gucci Mane concert, or we're already ready. But I just wanted to let y'all know that we are going, and yeah, let me show you my sister's outfit. I don't want to show y'all my outfit because I might wear this again, so mind your business.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, died and they died. Gotta watch the time.
Hey y'all, so we are at Area 15. I'm really just gonna cut this short, but I just wanted to let y'all know this is our last night here, and this is the last event that we will be doing before leaving tomorrow morning. I'm with my brother and my sister. Yeah, we're just gonna have fun. So I'm just gonna show y'all some B-roll of what I see, so you can see, so that you have things to do and look forward to if you ever want to come out to Vegas.